Welcome to Smart Kid Hutana channel, a fun and engaging place for kids to learn English. Let's start our English learning journey. What number is this? 1. 1 apple. What number is this? 2. 2 banana. What number is this? 3. 3 orange. What number is this? 4. 4 pineapple. What number is this? 5. 5 mangoes. What number is this? 6. 6 grapes. What number is this? 7. 7 guavas. What number is this? 8. 8 coconuts. What number is this? 9. 9 pears. What number is this? 10. 10 lemons. What number is this? 11. 11 persimmons. What number is this? 12. 12 strawberries. What number is this? 13. 13 kiwis. What number is this? 14. 14 peaches. What number is this? 15. 15 papayas. What number is this? 16. 16 pomegranates. What number is this? 17. 17 tamarinds. What number is this? 18. 18 soursops. What number is this? 19. 19 lychees. What number is this? 20. 20 durian. What number is this? 1. 1 apple. What number is this? 2. 2 banana. What number is this? 3. 3 orange. What number is this? 4. For pineapple. What number is this? 5. 5 mangoes. What number is this? 6. 6 grapes. What number is this? 7. 7 guavas. What number is this? 8. 8 coconuts. What number is this? 9. 9 pears. What number is this? 10. 10 lemons. What number is this? 11. 11 persimmons. What number is this? 12. 12 strawberries. What number is this? 13. 13 kiwis. What number is this? 14. 14 peaches. What number is this? 15. 15 papayas. What number is this? 16. 16 pomegranates. What number is this? 17. 17 tamarinds. What number is this? 18. 18 soursops. What number is this? 19. 19 lychees. What number is this? 20. 20 durian.